Alright, making a little video today on the 450. So I just pulled it in the garage and we got the heater on. And today I'm going to be replacing this rattly, small, undersized brake pedal that's literally about to fall off with something. I haven't unboxed it yet, so let's do that. Alright, let's see what we got. So I actually ordered this. I actually got this for myself as a Christmas present because they were having a flash sale. This is a oversized brake pedal from Fourwerx. Got some stickers in there. Look, can you see that? Fourwerx. Yeah. So I'm gonna be putting this on the four-wheeler. I am very excited. As you can see, it's like double the size of it, which is perfect because I have size 14 feet. So I don't even hit that pedal because it's too small anyway. So we're gonna do this. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna wanna do is take this off, and you're gonna need to remove these springs. There's a spring here, and then there's also a spring here, which is for the taillight. Don't lose either of the springs. Alright, we got the new one on. I think I just shined the light directly in the camera lens, but wait, show them the old one. Like put it in your hand and put it next to it. Yeah. So that's a lot better.
So that breaker bar.
Oh yeah.
You want the torque wrench?
I don't know what to torque it to.
I think so. Oh, you came out of it? What? Here.
Alright, so the brake pedal's on now, and the only thing I didn't film was us drilling out the rivet that was in there just because we were trying to get it done and we had it in the vise, and there's not a lot of room over by the vise, so I just didn't film it. But it's on there. I just started it, and next thing I really need to do is probably change the oil. So but yeah, it is done, and I'm pretty happy with that. That's really nice. A lot bigger than the old one. But put that on, put the springs back in and tighten it down, and now I'm gonna take it for a quick test ride. So real quick, I am gonna put a Fourwerx sticker on here. So alright, so just got back from a test ride, which I'm gonna make a separate video. I'm gonna make a separate video out of the test footage, the test ride footage or whatever. I'm just gonna make a riding video. It is kind of rainy out, so it might not be the best footage because there was some water on the lens. But got the brake pedal on, and now I'm gonna check the oil. But yeah, it's super nice. It's so much better. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and check back for some more videos, and turn on post notifications. Also, as I've said in previous videos, check out the YouTube channel's Instagram page. I'm trying to grow it. Not trying that hard, but if you guys are interested in following the Instagram page, I'll leave the link in the description, and I believe it's linked to the channel. You just have to click on the Instagram picture. But it's done. Peace out.